This next week, we are going to be talking about different types of studios, different ways teachers train, and what to kind of look for in different types of training. I understand right now with everything kind of being crazy in the world, training is taking on different versions, so to speak. We're training online, we're having to do a bit more self practice, but we want to make sure that the dynamic doesn't change. When we're practicing on our own, we don't typically push ourselves nearly as much as when we have somebody giving us corrections. So, when you're training online, you want to make sure that you're still able to keep communication with your instructor. This can be asking questions and being engaged. This could come down to sending videos to your instructor and receiving feedback. This could be live streaming with each other and live chatting your classes. There's many different options in those regards. Throughout this next week, we are going to talk about different types of flooring, which is what I will start with tomorrow. We will talk about mirrors. Not every studio has them. We'll go into the difference between technique classes versus learning choreography and character, different teachers and different types of backgrounds, and challenges that could be posed for yourself and how to understand what's happening in some of those regards. I will see you tomorrow when we start talking about that flooring stuff. I will see you then.